How to transfer money from Doordash to Cash App. So for this, you want to get your Dasher Direct card ready because we will need the information. So if you want to link Doordash to Cash App, then first you have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner. And now from here, we have to click on the linked banks section. So from here, we will see the option to link a debit card. So just click on it. And here is where you type out your Dasher Direct card information. So the card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code. So after you have typed in this information, then your Doordash should be connected to Cash App. And the next step is actually going all the way back. And right here, we have to select the bank icon in the bottom left corner. If we want to add money from Doordash to Cash App, then we have to select this option to add cash. We have to check our balance on Doordash, so the amount that we can actually transfer. So let's do 50 bucks, for example, and we have to select add $50. And if you have successfully linked your Dasher Direct card to Cash App, it will take your money from the card and it will transfer it over to Cash App. So hope this helps you. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.